Hi gamers, in this video let's find step by step to increase your carrying capacity in STALKER 2 on Xbox Series without relying on artifacts. You can follow these strategies. First, upgrade your armor. Speak with a tech to upgrade your armor. Certain upgrades can enhance your carrying capacity. For instance, the load bearing vest upgrade increases your capacity by 10% from 80 kilograms to 88 kilograms and is available at the end of the upgrade list. Equip STALKER suits that inherently boost carry weight. Notable suits include Kora's exoskeleton to 8 plus kg OZK Explorer suit to 8 plus kg Wanderer suit to 8 plus kg Bulwark exosuit to 12 plus kg reduced gear weight. Weight reduction upgrades. Upgrade your weapons and other gear to decrease their weight, allowing you to carry more overall. For example, certain upgrades can reduce weapon weight significantly, freeing up capacity for additional items. Manage inventory effectively. Regularly clear inventory. Frequently check your inventory and drop unnecessary items or offload surplus gear at traders or storage boxes to stay below your weight limit. Strategic looting. Focus on picking up items that are valuable or essential for your missions rather than hoarding every piece of loot you find. This will help manage your overall weight more effectively. By combining these methods, you can significantly enhance your carrying capacity in STALKER 2 without relying on artifacts. That's it for the video. Hope you got value from this.